Hey guys, welcome back to JNTech. Today I'm going to be showing you the fan noise of my EVGA RTX 3060 Ti for the Win 3. So right now it's on its default fan mode. It's not the 0 decibel mode, just the auto fan on MSI Afterburner. So here's what it sounds like default, 40% speed. So you can see the fan spinning. So let me bring it up to 50%. Here is the fan at 50%. Just now you're also hearing my case fan noise. You can see there's still some plastic out here. I need to peel it off. So here's the fan noise at 70%. You can hear it ramp up. Here it is at 80%. It's getting louder and louder. So yeah, it's at 80% right now. 29C on idle. So let's bring this up to 90%. And it's getting louder and louder. It's I apologize if you guys hear any wind noise. It's moving a lot of air right now. Here is at 100%. Yeah, it's getting quite loud. My phone is like literally next to the cable. It's like about 5 inches away. And here it is about a foot away from the GPU. So now I'll turn it back down to stock. Here now it's completely silent. Well, it's at the 0 decibel mode right now. See, it stopped spinning. Let's put it back on auto with MSI Afterburner configuration. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. That was the fan noise test of my EVGA 3060 Ti for the Win 3. If you guys want to see more PC content, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment and share. Thank you.